Samarth Srivastav gets us more on the preparations ahead of the Dhwajarohar. Let's listen in.
Whenever you talk about Ayodhya, it's not just about the Ram Temple or Hanumangarh. It is also about the history of Kanak Bhavan, a Bhavan which was of Mata Kaikeyi, mother of Lord Ram. But after Lord Rama did that wedding with Sita Mata, Kaikeyi Mata gave this as a gift to Sita Mata. And since then, the devotees come here in large numbers to seek blessings of Sita Ram at the Sri Kanak Bhavan Mandir in Ayodhya. The glimpse, the visuals of this particular temple, this Kanak Bhavan, are electrifying, are exemplary, and in true sense, if you see these particular designs, this is not of this yuga. This belongs to the yuga of Lord Sri Ram, when Lord Vishnu took a avatar and gave a life lessons in the roop of Lord Sri Ram, and Kanak Bhavan signifies this only. And that's why you see some devotees out here who have been doing the Ram bhajans out here. You can see that he has got this gada, this manjira, these speakers, and even that tail behind with these kind of instruments out here. He celebrates this moment of joy, as it's not just about the flag hoisting ceremony, it's also about the Ram Sita Vivaah. This is the moment of Lord Sri Ram, the flag hoisting ceremony and the Vivaah of Ram and Sita in the Abhijit Muhurat at the temple town of Ayodhya. With cameraman Gaurav Gupta, Samarth Srivastav for India Today.
If you notice, there is a lot of VVIP movement that's happening. That's the Director General of the Uttar Pradesh Police, taking care of the security. Do keep one thing in mind. Given the kind of activities that we've seen in our country in the recent past, especially with some of the terror attacks that have taken place, some of the arrests that have taken place, some of the raids that are going on, the threat that remains is tremendous right now. And the fact that you have Prime Minister Narendra Modi who will be here, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat will be here, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be here, and thousands and thousands of devotees will be here. So there's unprecedented security in this area right now. Before I come to for more on the significance of the Dhwaj, the Dharm Dhwaj, the brahmacharis here who are learning Vedic education also have more Swasti Vachan for us that will be also played out there.
श्री लक्ष्मी पूजनम एवं अन्य देवानां पूजनम अपि
हरि ओम मा सहस्रशीर्षका पुरुषः सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपादः भूमिर्गुं सर्वतस्वित्वात् तिष्ठदशाङ्गुलं पुरुष एवेदगुं सर्वं यद्भूतं यक्षवाभ्यं उदामृततशेषानो जदन्य नातिरोहति एतावानस्य महिमातो जायाश्च पूर्वः पादोश्च विश्वभूतानि त्रिपादस्य भृतं देवी पादोर्ध उदयश्च पुरुषः सादोषे अभवत् पुनः ततो भगवन् जग्रामशासनानशने अभि ततो विराजजायत विराजो अधिपुरुषः स जातो अचरिष्यत् पश्चात् भूमिमथो पुरः तस्मात् जज्ञास सर्वभूतः संवृतं प्रेकदाज्यं पशुस्ताचक्रे वायव्यानारयाभ्याम्यश्च तस्मात् जज्ञास सर्वभूतः सामानि जगिरे छन्दाकुंसि तस्मात् अजायन्त जे केचो भयादतः गावो जग्गिरे तस्मात् जाता अजावयः यज्ञं वरैः प्रोक्षन् पुरुकं जाते मक्रतः तेन देवः अयजन्त
So as we hear the mantra uchcharan here, and that fills the entire air with very positive energy.